Hey YouTube, Value Hunter back with another package. This time, I got a package from my friend CJ at CJ's Coins and Crafts. You guys are gonna like this. Got invited to do a little auction participation with CJ, and this is something I picked up from him. I was jumped on there to maybe sell some stuff that I wanted to move along, thin out my collection a little bit, and in the process, he had posted these things up, and I said, man, those are the coolest. So we did a little exchange on some things that we wanted that each other were posting up. So there is one, and there is the other. I am super excited to get into this. So, oh wow, the coolest thing, man. He's been doing stuff with 3D printers, and guys, he's a technically savvy guy. He's able to put together cool stuff for coins, and you know, a lot of the products that we buy these days come in plastic holders and things like that, and so to be able to create your own on 3D printers is a pretty neat element of the game here. So this is a BCW protective quarter display, and then what he's done inside here, guys, is wow, he has created a Missouri state outline, and it says on the back CJ's Coins and Crafts, and then you see that it's got the proof Missouri quarter from 2003 mounted in there. And the cool thing about this is it was actually I had a roll of these proof quarters and put them up on auction, and he bought them, and I had no idea what he was going to do with them. But now I saw this on the very next week. He had created a few of these for sale, and I said, you know, I'm going to buy one of those quarters back from you now that it's got this nifty holder. So very cool, nice piece to display. Appreciate it, CJ. It's really cool. I dig it, man. And this was a home state for me for some time, so having a piece like this is pretty neat, considering that I lived there. So, and then the next thing that I saw that he had for sale, and I said, you know, give me, he had it in two sizes, and I said, you know, give me not just one but two. So you see the shield, the coat of arms here. This is the current set, or at least it may have stopped this a couple years back, but this is for the Shield puzzle set from Great Britain. And I'm not a super big foreign coin collector, especially clad, but this was just too cool to pass up, guys. And I have been doing a quarter roll hunt looking for W's or silver, and I didn't find any W's out of like a bunch of boxes, and I didn't find any silver. But what I did find was this 10 pence in a U.S. quarter roll, and I just kind of held on to it, not even knowing that I would have a place to put it. But sure enough, this now has a home. Let me see if I can get it in there without damaging anything. There it is. Oh yeah, and it holds it in nicely. So you just got to rotate it a tiny bit to match, I guess, like that. Yeah, and then it clicks right in. So see, guys, when you have all 6 of these coins surrounding this, you're going to have the shield in metal and then the outlines filled in. So pretty cool little kind of piece of art work to go with your coins. Let's see here. So I just found it really neat. And I was like, man, send me one. And then I realized he had 2 sizes. He has a smaller one where the coins kind of hang over, and then this one with the outline. And so anyway, I've got a set coming in to fill this, or fill one of these, and then the other one I'm going to just do piece by piece when I buy lots and get foreign coins and stuff like that. So anyway, appreciate it. You can see the artistry and stuff that goes into this, guys. He's a very talented dude, and I would recommend you check him out. I'm going to put a link to his channel down below, and I'll put a link to the video where he showed some of this stuff being made. He's actually got some 3D printing machine videos and stuff like that. So I'll post that up for him so you guys can go check out his videos. Hit him up, give him a sub, and I think he's got these for sale, guys. I don't know for sure. His email address is on his is on his YouTube channel. So you guys can hit him up, and I believe that he offers these up. If not, we're doing auctions just about every week, at least the last couple, and so he may have some more of these at auction. So if you guys get over there and check out the auction, you get an opportunity to maybe add something cool like this to your collection. You got a lot of silver and other stuff in there too, so it's a good opportunity. Just fun time to hang out, really, is what it's about, and try to hunt some value in the process and find some cool things like this. So anyway, guys, be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. Until next time, this is Value Hunter, and I'm signing out.